Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned as we explore the incredible potential of artificial intelligence in the classroom.
Hi, so welcome to the channel. So we're going to be looking at this unique tool called Quilbot. It's been around for a while and it's not free. It is paid for, but you can use it in its free stance in terms of setting it up an account using a Google account and setting it up and be able to write better paper, analyze better your grammar, your paragraphs. Your writing styles will be a little bit more fluent, have more standardization to it, and it can help you summarize and do other things. So let's get started with how to use the tool. So first of all, you need to actually get the tool. So you're going to type in Quilbot and it gives you these information. So it vocabulary enhancements, paraphrasing, all that. So once you get here, you select the tool and then you'll be able to come here. So I'm going to close this out so you can see what I'm talking about. Right, so once you select it, it shows you how to sign in. It has its tool for Microsoft as well that you can use along with Microsoft. You click on add-ins and then you look for the Quilbot in the store and add it as an office add-in, and it actually can work with your Microsoft 365, right? So that's one way you can use it. Another way is to use your actual email account. So I've been using mine, the Power of Teaching, which is my standard email account. So we're going to start using it. So on this side here, you have the different options that you can use this tool to do. It can translate, it can create citations for you, it can summarize, it can co-write, but some of these things are on a paid version. So what the free version gives you is a limitations to what you can do, but you can start with something. So let's start using the paraphrase option. So once you click on it, it gives you this option right here, which is basic information that you need. It is set to standard. You can set it to fluency and standard, but you won't get it further from here. If you want it to academic, you will have to pay for that. If you want it to formal, you will have to pay for that. So it only gives you the option for standard and fluency. So let's take it to fluency and let's paste something inside here. This is basically coming from a research paper that I was using, writing, and I wanted to make it more dynamic, so I'm going to ask it to paraphrase it, change how the style of the tone of the writing, right? So right there it says a stressful work environment in food beverage today spark concern. So it kind of gives it a different tone of how it is, and you can actually, if you don't like how one of these words are, you can actually click on it and change based on what it is, right? In the words in purple, you can always change around how you want the actual tone of the writing to be. Right? The one obstacle, you can change that to challenges. You can say take out that, which, to make it flow better, right? Like this, you can save it. But what if I wanted to summarize information? You can put it back, same raw fact that I had, and then click on summarize. Right there, it summarizes, it puts out all the selected keywords and just have it in one context. So it's 25 words coming from 51. It's 25 words. So it condensed it. So I'm going to copy this Then we're going to use one more of its options called the grammar checker. And what this does, it checks for all the grammatical errors it may have in the document. So it's checking it, didn't find anything, and it gives you a notification that you're good, right? So you can go around and play around with the options, and as I said, as I showed it before, it's as an add-on for your 365 now, so you can actually use it in Microsoft 365, and it's also as an add-on for Chrome. And if you're using Mac OS, you can actually add it as an add-on as well. Alright, so take care. You can use this tool to do many things. When you're writing reports, you're writing papers, you're writing anything, you can use even emails. You can take your email, put it in here, and it changes the tone, right? Alright, I wish you have a good one. Stay safe, stay curious, keep using AI. Hi, so
Sharing is caring. Spread the knowledge and inspiration with your friends and fellow educators. Thanks for being part of this incredible journey.